Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell to all so you get notified of all the videos that I drop. In today's video, guys, I have something very special for you. I have another Zodiac series video. Today's video is gonna be all about Taurus, and Taurus has birthdays from April 20th to May 20th. So if you are a Taurus, happy freaking birthday. Also, this is a collaboration, you guys already know, with Tia Bella Beauty. If you guys have not saw your birthday and it was from January to April, make sure you go check those videos out because I have done every month thus far. Also want to say y'all go check out Tia's channel because she also has the Zodiac series. I'm going to pop pictures of her channel and Instagram up on the screen. Go follow us over there if you'd like. So here are my ENC Couture Maximum Square nails. I do have the other side of them already buff. I am going to go in with my foil glue as a peel off method. You guys already know you want to make sure your nails are prepped and ready. Prep steps will go on the right hand side. That is what I would normally do if I wanted to leave my nails on. And we're going to do something that I haven't done in a while, and that is working with poly gel. So I actually pulled out my ENC Couture Happy Gel in Eternal Beige. I am going to grab my little dampen dish here from Shein, and I'm going to grab my watermelon slip solution, and we're going to put some of that slip in there. Where is my gel brush? I'm going to grab my Sailor Magic gel brush. I'm going to take this little palette here, and I'm going to grab my glitter mixer. This is the cooking gel by ENC Couture, and we're going to lay a little bit of this on our little palette here. I take this glitter. It reminded me of emerald. It comes in a 6-pack called Feel So Good, and they're all chameleons. They all have that like beautiful chameleon mirror. Most of them have that. Some of them Jamie, would you freaking get it right? So some of the, yeah, you know what? It comes in a 6-pack. Feels so good, y'all. Feels so good. So if you like it, there you go. I'm done explaining myself. All right, so I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little because we're only gonna do one nail with this one. Take this gel brush and I'm just going to mix that in with that gel. And that is what this gel is for. It is for mixing glitter. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this glitter and we're going to lay that glitter down in here just like so. Do it a little thinner down by the cuticle area. I'm not going to go to the cuticle area is what I'm trying to say. Just make sure you go like from one side wall to the other one. Just pick up and place down. Turn it. Make sure you like it. Let's go ahead and give that a 30-second cure in your light. Feels so good. Oh. I'm gonna take my shiny top coat by ENC Couture. This is just a regular no wipe top coat, nothing special. And I'm just gonna top coat the glitter part. I'm not gonna go anywhere near my cuticle. And I'm gonna give that a full cure. How beautiful that looks. The rest of them, I'm doing the exact same thing, but I am gonna go in with the Eternal Beige. Just gonna pop it right here at the very edge. On the very tip, taking your brush and your slip solution. Now you're gonna start maneuvering your poly gel. Make sure you still have that curve in the nail. You don't want this to be too thick. Once I get to about right there, I'm gonna do a 10-second cure. Take the next one, do the same thing. Pat, press, and pull. Keep checking the other side, making sure, you know, everything's covered up under there. Now, as I get to the cuticle area, like I said, I'm not going to the cuticle area. As I get there, I'm getting thinner. So when I put the cuticle bead there, I can come up into that thin part. So it'll look good when you put them together after they've been cured. 10-second cure. Taurus. Taurus people revel in the pleasures of life. They crave the security and comfort of relaxing in the warmth of their home environment. They value the senses and the enjoyment of material things. They are willful and sometimes can be stubborn. With a large capacity for kindness, they are steadfastly devoted and loyal. Happy birthday, Taurus. So taking the first one, now make sure that your nails are etched. If you want these to last, make sure they're etched on the underside. These are already pre-etched, so I don't have to do anything to them. So I'm gonna take that Eternal Beige. I'm gonna put enough in here because I have to go up to about the center and smooth out Now, these are not sculpted, so I'm gonna make sure it's nice and thin by the cuticle. I don't want it squishing out, and if it does, you can clean it up. You wanna go from one side wall to the other when you're working with polygel. Pull that all the way up, smoothing it out. Make sure it connects with the other color. That way it looks just like one application. To flip it over, make sure everything looks good. Press it down onto your nail. Flip it and make sure it's touching the natural nail. If anything is seeping out, you can go ahead and remove that. Or you can actually go ahead and just like pull that up a little. Go ahead and clean up around the edges. Get any of that excess off. Okay, make sure everything looks good and do a cure. And we have one nail on. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and play some music and you guys can watch me apply my nails. All right, once all your nails are on, go ahead and give that a full cure. And what I like to do when I do use polygel is I'll do 30 seconds on this side, flip it and do 30 seconds on this side. I'm going to now top coat before you file, top coat the underside of all of these nails and give that a 60-second cure. I'm gonna take my 5-in-1 Pana bit, put it into my Melody Susie portable e-file. I'm gonna turn it on fairly low speed, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal my cuticles in. You're gonna go around, pull off any of that product that might have seeped out. This 5-in-1 Pana bit is amazing. I'm going to take my 8080 buffing block by Couture, and I'm going to go ahead and buff. So just go ahead and buff off the shine, smooth down everything. I don't have a whole lot to do, but these are the steps I would take if I was going to wear these nails. Just wanted to show you guys this. I'm going to take a manicure brush. And I'm going to go ahead and brush off the dust. I'm going to take my isopropyl alcohol. You can even go wash your hands if you want. Now we're going to put the gems on. You guys, here we go. I am going to take my Squeezy Gummy Jelly. This is new by Couture. Take the Squeezy and we're going to put a little bit here at the top. And then we're going to put a little bit going down the nail like that. And then I'm going to take my top coat and I'm just going to go right over the top of that. Just on the sides of it. That way I don't have to come back later and try to, top coat that. Grab the Taurus name and we'll plop that right here on the gel right there. And then I'm going to grab the little symbol and we're going to put that right here. Do a freeze cure. I'm going to put one right here by the cuticle. We're going to put the big one right there. Go ahead and do a freeze cure. All right. And then I'm going to take a dollop and put it there, there, and there. I'm putting one of the small ones here, one of them here, and one on the thumb. Pop it into the light real quick. I'm going to take my Dom top coat because it's a thick top coat. And that's where I'm going to bring these stones in, these rhinestones. We're going to put it right into the top coat and then we're going to top coat all the nails. So for the thumb, I'm just going to go over it with the regular shiny top coat. So take that regular shiny top coat, go ahead and top coat the nail. Cap your free edge, of course. Okie dokie. Taking the Dom top coat, which is the thick top coat, and you're going to butt that up to that gem there so it doesn't fall off. And then pull the Dom top coat down. Take a couple of these rhinestones, just a couple of them, or more than a couple. I'm just going to go all the way down this nail with these rhinestones. Make sure they're straight and cure it. Taking that regular shiny top coat because it's easier going around things because it's smoother, if that makes sense. It's thinner, so it's not as hard to go around the gems. And the same with this one. All right, let's go ahead and give all of them a full cure. Last but not least, grab some cuticle oil. Get it around those crusty cuticles and you are good to go. Go ahead and rub it in real good. Are y'all ready for the final reveal? Here is my Taurus nails. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to go check out Tia Bella Beauty's channel for her design. For her Taurus design. She always does gorgeous nails. Make sure you tell her I sent you if you do. Love you guys very much. Thank you so much for watching. Sending lots of love and light. And I will see y'all in the next video. God bless. Bye.